What's up, YouTube? My name is Smithy. Welcome back to the channel. Here on Smitheys, we do truck videos, travel videos, and other things. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, go and hit that subscribe button right down below. And also smash that thumbs up. It really helps the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how to make quick, easy, and simple window coverings for your vehicle. If you live in it or you just want some sun protection or what have you. It is dark. I did film this at night so you can see all the steps that I did a little bit easier. Let's get to it. Look. No, look. I'm gonna show you how to make window coverings. It's very simple. All you need is some wax paper, permanent marker, and some tape. And some foam board or some Refletix or whatever you have that you want to use. First, you start off with your wax paper and obviously your window. Cover the window. Step, grab your light. Now you just trace out the window with your marker. I'm gonna overlap it a little bit. There you go. What you do now is you cut out your template. These foam boards that I bought them at the Dollar Tree. I don't put Reflectix in my windows anymore because this works just as well, in my opinion. And now what you want to do, basically just trace it out on your Reflectix or trace it out on your foam board like I am, and then go ahead and cut it out of the foam board, and you're good. Now you just test it in the window. It may not be perfect. If it ain't perfect, just go back to the Dollar Tree and get you another one. As you can see, mine needs to be trimmed off just a hair. Look at that, good as new. I know that this isn't covered, but I'm not really worried about it because this is as wide as the board comes at Dollar Tree. If I wanted to, I can just make another one from another piece of board. I'm not necessarily worried about it. All right, so once you're done and it's all cut out the shape and you're happy with it, that's what it's kind of what it's gonna look like. That's one of my back windows for my 4Runner. I was laying in bed looking at that, and I was like, how can I make that better? So what I came up with was wrapping them with the extra flat sheet that I had from my bed set. Basically, all I did was I took the window covering, I laid it down, I sprayed some glue like this right here, let it dry for a little teeny bit so it'll get tacky. I laid a sheet on it and I basically pressed out all the wrinkles as best as I could. After you spray on the adhesive, lay the blanket down, get it to where you like it, and it's actually starting to stick, go ahead and cut it out. Your final product will be some very colorful window coverings. You can use old shirts, you can use old blankets, you can use old sheets. The choice is yours. Go ahead and be creative. So once you have a place to work, I'm gonna do it on this old bed. So you'll take your window covering that you just made, get your sheet ready. I am a big Looney Tunes fan. I've loved them since I was a child. And these sheets are actually Space Jam. Get it ready. I'm gonna fold it back and I'm gonna go ahead and spray these with the glue or the spray adhesive. All right, so once you let it sit and start to dry, go ahead and pull it out and then lay it right on it. And what I do is I try to get it pretty good before I start to press down on it. I put my hand in the center just to hold the sheet from moving around a lot. And then I fix it. And then I basically start from the center and work my way out. And then after you get it to where you think it's pretty good, just go ahead and cut it out. Once you get it done to something that's similar that you like, what I usually do is I go around and burn off these edges so it's a cleaner look. And after you're done, just do every other window that you want to do. You're done. Put them in and enjoy.